We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we are looking at a 2020 Indian Scout. This is one of the 100-year anniversary editions. It has the beautiful deep red paint job with the gold pinstriping. Nice spoked wheels, goes with that classic look, but it also has ABS. Has the passenger seat, so it's ready for two up, and the rider seat has that cool old look. And so do the bars, those nice beach bars. And miles are 2,245. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.